If your garbage disposal isn't working, you don't have to call a plumber if you have this Badger here. This is called a Badger, it's made by Instinctorator. This particular one is the Badger 5, but this will work on any Badger models. First thing, there's a reset button right there, that square button. Press that button, make sure it's in. If it's in, not popped out, and the garbage disposal still does not work, then what you need is this. This tool comes with all Badger garbage disposals. You can also get it separately at Home Depot. What you do is right in the center of the garbage disposal, you just stick it right in there like that, and you spin it. Did you hear that pop there? I unjammed it. Once it spins freely, it works. Sometimes you got to use some force. There you go.